At-home drug testing kits are a great way to inexpensively and reliably test to see if your hard work and dedication has paid off, right? Welcome, my name is David Jolly and thank you for watching this video. Well, drug testing is still common in courts, treatment centers, the military, and for employment. And passing a drug test might be critical for you to stay out of jail or get your dream job. So passing one is imperative. One practice I have recommended for years is to purchase an inexpensive at-home drug test kit. You can check to see if you're good to go or if you need a little bit more time. Well, these at-home drug test kits are cheap and fairly reliable, but they are not nearly as reliable as the laboratory testing, naturally. If you're interested, I have the best and most reliable at-home drug testing kits listed in the description below. If using these home drug tests isn't reliable, then we have a problem. So there are some things that can be done to increase the accuracy of the results and avoid as many false positives or false negatives as possible. To ensure greatest reliability in testing, be sure your test is not expired. Carefully follow the test instructions during the sample collection and testing. Avoid certain foods prior to the testing, including poppy seeds, which may cause a false positive for opioids, and foods containing hemp, as they can cause false positive results for marijuana. Be aware that taking antidepressants and other medications may cause a false positive for amphetamines or opioids. Be aware that cold medicines may cause a false positive for PCP. It's also important to remember that not all at-home drug testing kits can detect all drugs. One example of many is fentanyl. So it's important to read the label or the description of the kit before you purchase one. Finally, one last quick tip. It's always wise to do 2 tests at home on different days, just in case one of the test results was flawed. Good luck. For more videos on drug testing and the law, please subscribe to this channel.